You're mesmerized by other people's ability to dream and wishing you had something of theirs that they dreamt about that came to fruition that you're not even sure you want or need, but you're like wishing that. What's actually happening is that there's a lack of belief in yourself to have the wishes come true in your life. And this card is actually going to show you some of the energy realignment about your dreams. It is the wishing pool card. I love this card. And what we see in it is that it's revealing to us that wishes, when aligned with who you are, become the dreams that initiate manifestation. Lack of dreaming big, allows us to feel stuck and stayed in one place. In this journey called life, we are always looking for more. And that's not a bad thing. It's a bad thing when we limit our self because our emotions are saying we're not worthy of more. So this card, this wishing pool card, is asking you to initiate manifestation by wishing and making your dreams big. Because wishes that are empowered by your purpose, your values, and your inner beauty, that's about manifestation. That's when you own your own personal dreams and you're not connected to others. It's a war card after all, and that's about emotions that are not serving us. So we rinse them away using the element of water. We don't react to them and we realign. That's the responding to your emotions from self leadership point of view. And we say, what is it that I'm wishing for? What are my dreams? And that's where the kernels of manifestation begin because you're thinking about what's possible for you, knowing that it can come true. So don't wish your life away on other people's dreams. Start with the description below about this and explore the link about how all the water cards, which are based on emotion, in the deck, as well as the other elemental cards, allow you to manifest your dreams into fruition. This is actually the last card, individual card in the Oracle of the Lake deck. And I hope that going through these has supported you. But don't go away. I have a joker for you. See you in another card video.